So in case you're not yet aware, Meet Alfred is currently running a promotion where you can get a 60% discount on a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. So to do this, I'll include a link in the description of this video where you can sign up and go to this page so that you can access the discount. And just to let you know, to be completely transparent, I'm not using an affiliate link or anything like that, so I don't get anything back when you sign up and get this discount. I'm just letting you know because I know a lot of people have or want Sales Navigator accounts, and getting a 60% discount on a LinkedIn Sales Navigator account is obviously a good thing. Now, there are just a few things for you to be aware before you get this discount. So if you scroll down and go to the frequently asked questions, it's probably well worth reading, but just to go through some of the most important things, the first thing to keep in mind is that you do not need to be a Meet Alfred customer to access this offer. So as you can see here, you do not need to be an existing customer. Secondly, once you go to the top here and grab the discount, you'll be taken to a payment page where you can subscribe and pay for your Sales Navigator account. And then once you do that, you'll get an email. So here's what the email looks like. And all you need to do is reply back to this email with the email address that you're using for your LinkedIn account. And then they will assign the LinkedIn Sales Navigator license to your account. Now, just keep in mind that it says here, if you already have a Sales Navigator license, you first will need to cancel that subscription and wait for it to be downgraded before Meet Alfred can assign the new license. Okay, so that's something worth keeping in mind. Also, if you are already using Sales Navigator and you cancel your account, you will lose all of your saved searches and all of the information and data that you have on that account. And when you create a new Sales Navigator account through Meet Alfred, you will be starting from scratch. Now, this is just if you already have an existing Sales Navigator account. So you need to think for yourself, if you are in that position, is it worth getting the discount and starting from scratch, or is it worth just paying full price and not having to start from scratch? That's something that you'll have to decide. However, if you don't yet have a Sales Navigator account, then obviously it doesn't matter if you start from scratch because you'll be starting from scratch anyway. Now, you might also be wondering, how can Meet Alfred offer a 60% discount on a Sales Navigator account? So they actually answered this here. It says that they currently buy a large number of Sales Navigator licenses through approved resellers, and then they offer them exclusively to their enterprise customers. So in other words, they're buying licenses in bulk, which enables them to get a discount, a pretty large discount, and then they pass that saving off back to you. And the other thing to also keep in mind is that this special offer is only a limited time offer. So as they said here, grab the deal while stocks last. So I don't actually know how long this will last, but obviously it will not last forever. So I would definitely recommend, if you're interested in getting a Sales Navigator account, to take advantage of this offer before it is gone. And if the offer is gone, I will then update this video in the description or in a pinned comment to let you know. Now, if you're wondering, once you have a Sales Navigator account, how do you actually use that account to start generating leads? Then I recommend watching the video that I've recorded at salesappointmentsmasterclass.com, because that will go through step by step how you can generate leads, appointments, and clients using LinkedIn and also Google, YouTube, and Facebook. And I go through step by step what it is that you need to do. And just to be clear, this is very different to what most other people are doing on LinkedIn. For example, everyone else on LinkedIn is either sending direct messages, pitching their services, or having those awkward conversations where they're trying to direct them into booking a short 15-minute appointment or to touch base or something like that. And those kinds of things are getting very poor results. And the results from doing that are getting worse each year. So if you're looking for a new way to use LinkedIn and a better way that not only gets you more leads, but also gets you more appointments and clients and better quality appointments and clients, then definitely check out the free training that I've recorded at salesappointmentsmasterclass.com. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.